Hey everyone, it's me, Lady V. Let's make a ruffled nightgown, kids edition. So as you see, I have this butterfly one that I made for my youngest daughter, but my oldest daughter needed one as well. So pretty much it's a pretty simple pattern. I have my pieces already cut out. Let's get to it. Make sure you got your iron ready. Here are our bodice pieces. And we gotta add in our ruffle pieces. Because what's a dress without a ruffle? We're gonna have some lining. The lining makes everything easier. And let's get to sewing. The ruffle is gonna take the longest. It's crazy. I actually almost broke my serger doing this. But it's okay. I'm a professional, so I was able to fix my machine. All right, we're halfway there. As you can see it coming together. Everything's sewn. Now I just gotta add that ruffle. And there's our final product. She definitely loves it. Kind of looks like a astral mermaid. I love it. All right, on to our next project. Thank you for joining me. Bye.